Hello and welcome to the training session for the Hot Potatoes quiz module. Firstly, you will need to download the quiz module from the internet and install the application on your desktop. Once you do that, double click the Hot Potatoes icon on your desktop and the software would load up. Then you will need to click on the J quiz icon and the quiz module will load up, which will help you set up the quiz in a really easy manner. So now, as you can see, there's one single page here where you need to set up the quiz. Starting off, you need to enter the title for the quiz, where I'm going to enter over here, testing quiz module. And all your questions for the quiz will be entered over here in the question text box, and you can browse through the various number of questions using the up and bottom arrow keys over here. Now, you can select the type of question by using the drop down list over here, which says multiple choice, short answer, hybrid, and multiple select. So you can have various types of questions set up for you in the quiz. So, and over here is the weighting option. For example, if you have a particular question which has more weight regarding in regards to the total grade for the quiz, then you can set up the weight for the questions over here using the bottom and top arrows, or you can simply type in the text box with the number you wish. Now, the bottom of the screen is divided into two columns. On the left are your answers, and on the right are the feedback for every answer. So your four options for every question, A, B, C, D, can be entered over here in the left column. And then on the right column, you have a feedback option where you can enter feedback for any particular question which the student would answer in the quiz. Now, to select a particular option in the question as your correct answer, you can select the accept as correct checkbox on the right, and this automatically adds 100% grade for that particular question. Or if you have more than one answer for a particular question, you can select two of them and then make this 50 and the first option 52. Okay, so now let's add a few questions in here, and I would revert all these to the default numbers. And starting off with the question number one, let me type in what is the capital of USA. So your answer options would be Washington DC, New York, Boston, Miami. Now, Washington DC obviously is the correct answer, so I'm going to say accept as correct and make this 100% because there's no other correct answer for this question. Now, I don't want any feedback in there. I'm going to move to question 2 by clicking on the top arrow here so you can see question 2. And the question here says how many states in the USA? In the USA. So now the options for these I could write as 30, 45, 52, and 50. Okay, so now obviously 50 is the correct answer, so I'm just going to say accept as correct and 100% grade for that correct answer. Now moving ahead to question 3, I can add who is, oh sorry about that, who is Yogi Bear's companion? And the answers could be okay. So now obviously A is the correct answer. I think so. So I'm going to say accept is correct and 100% grade for that. So now I'm going to save the quiz, but before saving the quiz, what you can do is you can configure the way it looks and various other options by clicking on this little icon here. It says configuration screen. So on this configuration screen, you can move through various tabs here on top, for example, prompts and feedback. So over here, so whenever there's a correct answer selected, you can either say correct or whatever you need in there. You can customize all these options in here. So once answer is guessed correctly, say example well done, and if it's guessed incorrectly, bad luck, move on to next question. Okay, so now And all the other buttons and the appearance of the quiz, all that can be customized here by you. Okay. um, and then I click on OK, and then just click on the save this exercise button. Once you do that, you'll need to enter a file name, and I'm going to say testing quiz module, and leave this as your default file, the jquiz file. You can leave that as a default extension and just save it anywhere on your desktop or your computer. Click on save. Now the next thing you'll have to do is upload this file to Moodle, to your course basically. So I'm going to open my browser, and I'm going to turn editing on. So on my course homepage, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the week I want to add it to. So I'm going to say I'm going to add it to this week over here. I'm going to say add an activity and select hot potatoes quiz. And again, over here, this is really simple to do because all the options over here you're going to leave as the default options, and all you need to do here is select the file you just saved on your desktop and upload it to your course. So the name of the file is what I have the quiz named as. So I'm going to say get from quiz, or you can have a specific text as the name of this particular exercise or quiz. So I'm just going to say get from quiz, and then the file name, I'm going to say choose or upload a file, and I want to upload a file. I say choose file. So these are all the files on my computer now. So I'm going to browse through and select the file I just created, testing quiz module. I say open, upload this file, and now testing quiz module has been uploaded here. So I'm going to say choose. So that file has been selected, and now everything else can be left as a default option, but if you want the quiz open for a particular time, you can disable these options and select that time over here. You can password protect the quiz if you wanted to. I'm going to disable it for now. And then you can come all the way down here and say save and return to course. And it's that simple to set up a quiz now. We're using the hot potatoes software. Okay, so now I'm going to turn editing off, switch my role to that of a student, and now click on the quiz I just created. So as you can see, all these questions and everything would load up automatically here with the title for your quiz up here, the question, the options. So now I'm going to answer a few questions here, and you can say Washington DC, well done, your score's 100%. You click OK, you go to the next question. How many states are present in the USA? I'm going to say 50. Scores 100%. OK, I say next. And now who's your best companion? Remember we had A as the correct option, so I'm going to, for example, select a wrong answer here, say the sheriff. So it's a wrong answer. Now as we went through all these questions here, you'll notice that each question is presented one at a time, or if you like to have all these questions presented on a single page, you can just say show all questions, and you can have all of them presented on a single page. Okay, so once you do this here and say boo boo the correct answer, so now the quiz results are saved, and all your results can be viewed from within the quiz itself. Okay, so now this session has been concluded, and I will post the link for you to download the hot potatoes software onto your computer and evaluate it before using it in your courses. Thank you.